Welcome back. I'm Molly Friedrich with Friedrich Realty, and today we are talking about property taxes in Texas. And I have to tell you, this is one of the biggest questions I get when someone is moving into the area. So you need to know about this. This is important whether you are already from Texas and moving houses, or maybe this is your first house. And now you're going to be the one paying the property tax, or if you're coming from a different state, it is a little bit different here. So let's talk about this. We do not have a state income tax in the state of Texas. That is as of July of 2026. And so we have to finance important things through those property taxes instead. And it's just the way the state chooses to budget by funding that with property taxes instead of state income tax. And that funds the things like schools, roads, police and fire, parks, libraries, other community services, which of course we need to have in a community to run well and efficiently. Now, it's really important that we're not just looking at that tax rate, because there's so much more that goes into your payment. Now, if you're paying cash, then obviously you look at that total payment and then what your recurring taxes are going to be every year. But if you are mortgaging your property, it is important to look at your principal, interest, taxes, of course, insurance, and the HOA. And one of the things that you need to know is those tax rates do vary by location. So there can be houses that are really, truly just one or two houses away from each other that have a different tax rate because it's based on the school district, other taxing entities. And it's really important to look not just by the school district or by a certain zip code. You need to look at the specific tax rate for a house. Now, these are things we want you to know about before you buy. That's why our consulting buyer presentation is so important. If you have questions, we'd love to connect. And if you're thinking about making a purchase or selling your house, just reach out, whatever's best for you, phone, email, text, and we'll help you out. Again, thanks from Friedrich Realty, and have a great day.